Hello guys, okay, I'm doing another video on how I did my liftgate. So I used these devices here. These are from the UK. They're made by Model Tech. They're track pieces that you solder your track to it. So here's a close-up piece of the puzzle pieces here, if you can see that. And they lock together like so. There we go. Now, when I did mine, I have a curved track here and a straight track. So you solder the track complete over the gap, and after the solder and you glue is cured, then you take a Dremel and you cut the track across the line, and then you can raise it up like that. And the other thing is the hinges. You need to have the hinge above track height, so when you open it up, it clears and there's no issues there whatsoever. Now I have not powered this section. I have feeders going down, but it's not powered. I just use well-bond glue to glue the track down, and the ProTrack rail liners is what they're called. And I just take a few track nails and drive it into the wood. Now, where the track pro liners are installed, I made custom wood pieces and glued them down with wood glue to match the profile of the cork road bed. So I did 3, 6, 12 of them, and that is my anchoring point for the track. And after that, then when I did the lift gate, I used these devices to help line it up. These are shelf alignment pins. So they go down into the hinge system here to help align the gate, so it's perfectly locked up. I'm also going to add a latch so I can keep the benchwork taut. These are available from England. They sell them, I forget what I paid for them, but they are a good system. But the important thing I have to say, you need to solder the length of track to the rail liner as an assembly, and then cut the track with a very fine Dremel. And I use an angle head on my Dremel so I can get close to the track, and I just buzz it down until I touch the fiberglass structure of the rail liner, and I'm good to go. So yeah, it's a good system, and I'm quite pleased with it. The puzzle pieces on a lift gate, you have to overhang the puzzle on the gap so you can close it up, and the wood supports the track when it's down. And when it's up, it goes into here in the vertical mode to support the gate when I'm open. Now, Mark Emma Rails asked about how these work, and that's how they work, Mark. And I'm going to use these same things on my other bridge that goes to the yard when I get it built. I already installed these pins, and I'll use these on that bridge. I think Rick Bailey used these same things. I've seen he did on his bridge. They have the feature too of soldering the feeders to them too, but I didn't buy. I found it easier to solder the feeders to the side of the track and not use those points of soldering. But that's it, and straightforward. It doesn't move on me. Now my benchwork is not attached to the wall. It's floating on the floor, so it has movement. And nothing is glued, so I have lots of give for growth in the wood. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this helps somebody, but these are decent devices, I tell you. Okay, guys, that's it for this video.